Hey guys, this is Joe from MakeUseOf.com, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own LED ring light for less than $50. You need a circular frame, 5 meters of RGB LED strip, a power supply, an LED controller, a remote control and a clamp. In addition to these parts, you'll also need a few basic tools along with a soldering iron and solder. Make sure you visit the link in the description for the full breakdown and parts list. Let's start with the frame. This is what the LEDs will be attached to. You can use any circular item, but for this tutorial I'll cover making your own from MDF. Using a piece of 1/4 inch MDF, draw a circle approximately 10 inches in diameter. I drew around a dinner plate. Draw a smaller circle in the centre approximately 4.5 inches in diameter. This is where your lens will look through. I used a side plate for this. You can make your light any size you like, just make sure the inner hole is large enough to fit your camera through and that you purchase enough LEDs if you use a larger size. Use a jigsaw to cut the outside of your frame. For the inside hole, drill several holes first. This is where the jigsaw will need to get started. Once complete, sand the edges to a smooth finish. You can do this by hand or with an electric sander. Make sure you wear an appropriate dust mask, as MDF fibres are hazardous to your lungs. Finally, use black spray paint to seal the wood and complete the look. Once dry, cover the edges with black tape to protect them, if you want to. Now it's time to stick the LEDs on. Unfortunately, these won't curve round to follow the frame. You'll need to cut the LEDs into strips of 3, which is indicated by a small dotted line. You can use scissors to do this. Stick the LEDs onto the frame in groups of 5. Make sure you include one connecting piece for the power supply. Once stuck down, it's time to solder the LEDs back together. Each strip has 4 wires, 12 volts, red, green and blue channels. These allow a controller to mix each colour independently and simply need to be joined together. Red to red, green to green, blue to blue and 12 volts to 12 volts. After soldering each strip of 3 LEDs, I recommend you plug in and test. This takes more time overall, but it ensures that each stage is working before you move on. If necessary, use hot glue to protect some of the connectors and the parts which will not stick properly. Use hot glue, double-sided tape or hook and loop fixings to secure the control box to the back of the light. Once you've done that, you're done. Use the clamp to secure it to your tripod, making sure it's not visible in your shot. You can use the remote to adjust the colour and intensity of the light. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more weekly tech tutorials, reviews and giveaways. Make sure you visit the link in the description below for the full tutorial.